Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Izima Okike here, and today I'll be sharing with you how you can use rice water on low porosity hair. As we all know, rice water contains 16% of protein, and low porosity hair is protein sensitive, making rice water so tricky to use on low porosity hair. So if you're interested in knowing how you can use rice water on your low porosity hair, please keep on watching. Ensure you watch this video to the end, and if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification for more videos. Also like this video if you do like it. Please keep watching. Rice is a wholesome grain, and it is no surprise that it can be put to good use to benefit hair and skin health. Not many people know that even the starchy residual water, which we mindlessly toss away after washing or boiling rice, contain tons of nourishing ingredients which can benefit our hair health. So I will be using an organic rice, also known as local rice in Nigeria, and aloe vera as well. As we all know, rice water can be so tricky to use on low porosity hair. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you what to do or what not to do on low porosity hair. I will also be using aloe vera with rice water just to give me that moisture protein balance. Rice water can be prepared in three ways: boiling, soaking, or fermented methods. Fermented method is usually best as it allows all nutrients in the rice to be extracted. So in this video, I'll be using the fermented method. I started by pouring some rice in my bowl. This is the one I already fermented for a week. So I will go ahead and show you guys how I actually prepared this rice water. So I'll put that away and then show you guys how I usually prepare mine. So pour some rice in a bowl like so. There is no scientific proof that rice water can make your hair grow long. So consider rice water a protein treatment. The protein molecules in rice are too large to get into your hair, so they create a coat on the surface of your hair strands, which stops your hair from breaking. So the growth you naturally have is kept and retained. So I poured some water in the bowl of rice and started running my fingers through it just to remove impurities. So after rinsing, I went ahead and decanted the water in a separate bowl. You can also do this in your shank. So I went ahead and added more water just because this is a local rice, Abakaliki rice, for those of you from Nigeria. So I went ahead and poured more water just to make sure that the rice is nice and clean. After making sure that the rice is clean, I poured some water just to fill up the rice and then use my fingers to swirl it. Then I went ahead and covered it just for the fermentation process to begin. I went ahead and put this away in my kitchen cabinet. I left it for 1 week. So here is my aloe vera. I chose aloe vera because this is actually going to give me that moisture protein balance I was looking for. So benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that repair dead cells. It reduces dandruff. It conditions the hair, leaving it shiny and smooth, making it an excellent moisturizer. It maintains the pH of the scalp. It promotes hair growth. So right about now, I started by removing the spikes from the aloe vera leaf just to get the pulp. You have to be very careful if you have low porosity hair using rice water. Low porosity hair tends to be very sensitive. Just know that the longer the rice water has been sitting inside the container, the more potent it is and the more the protein content. So one major rice water benefit is that it's supposed to coat each strand, allowing a protective coat layer over each strand, which in turn helps to prevent breakage and overall help your hair retain length. What rice water does is that it helps you retain length by stopping your hair from breaking and shedding much. It doesn't grow your hair. However, if you use rice water correctly, you will notice that your hair will feel stronger, smoother, shinier, and even healthier. So if you have low porosity hair, you already know that your cuticle is tightly closed, making it difficult for moisture to get into your strands, which causes your hair to be dry, which could lead to what we call protein overload, which can cause your hair to be brittle, hard, and feel like a straw. So at this point, you must have noticed that I poured the aloe vera into the blender, and then I poured some of the rice water into the blender, ready to be blended. I'm about to blend the rice water mixture now. So while blending, make sure that the aloe vera is properly blended, and then afterwards go ahead and sieve this to make sure that you sieve out the aloe vera particles from this mixture. So I advise you don't use rice water every wash day. If your hair is low in porosity, just use this once a month or once in 2 months, and do not allow it to sit for more than 15 minutes, and afterwards follow up with a deep conditioning immediately. This gives you that moisture protein balance. And please do ensure that you listen to your hair. So after sieving this, I will go ahead and pour this into my spray bottle for easy application. So that's it in my spray bottle, and my hair is already shampooed and dried. So next I'll be spraying this mixture into my hair. While I spray it, I use the pop of my fingers to massage that in. Make sure you do not forget your ends, because those are the oldest part of your hair. Keep massaging until you get that saturated in your hair. Afterwards, cover up with a plastic cap. Set your timer to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, go ahead and rinse that off. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel. That's me goofing around, and see you in my next one. Bye.